500,000 square meters of floors and marble tiles serving millions of Muslims. However, they are cleaned 4 times every single day. How does the entire Grand Mosque get fully cleaned in 45 minutes? 3,076 male workers and over 200 female workers work around the clock over 4 shifts. They use the latest cleaning and perfuming tools for the holiest place. The continued movement of pilgrims in the Tawaf area represents a daily challenge that cleaning teams in the Grand Mosque handle with utmost professionalism. The work area is surrounded with caution tape along the flow with people performing Tawaf. They clean the entire Tawaf area in 30 minutes. This process is repeated 4 times daily. The cleaning fleet supports the cleaning team in cleaning the mosque. They are accompanied by 40 electrical vehicles, 60 cleaning machines, water carrier vehicles, and dryers.